I-follow nyo na lang yung mga page ng ating mga kapampangan bowlers at panoorin yung ating live game. Here on the first ball, sanction net. Kept by the Team WB and Sophie Bornales. Donnie Mitchell. Pass to Bornales. Bornales. At the drop. Yung mga malilitin. Yung puyo, yung mga yan. And now, pal, nood po yung ating mga live game dito sa mga bawat page ng ating mga vlogger na yan. Mr. Jeric Nakapil, Mr. Piso Piso. Malina back to Tony Mitchell, back to Oprato, balik dito kay Malina. And Bornales, open corner on the baseline basket. Medyo nagpapapil, pull recover, find the open, Luka Pulong pass.
Yan ang sinasabi ko para pag pumutok yung kapo.
Interlock, now pass to
Soliano.
Soliano. Wala doon. Itong si Tom. Lang na ng tatlo dito yung ating Jasper Energy. Oprasio, pass to Bornales. Bornales, fine. Mitchell, full speed. And now Piso ng Beagle. That was 8-9 is the score. Now on number 40, Babawe ang Piso ng Pampanga. Nugget, offensive rebound. Lifts it up. Basket count for 2. Now Bornales. One more piece of shot. Pag may Espaladen is the score. The crossover by number 18. Find Luke Capulong.
Ayun naman.
May power. It's a 2-3-point shot. Para dito kay Luke Capulong. Donnie Mitchell. Fire. Answer. 3-point shots. Siyempre, part of Golden State. Alam naman natin mga Splash Brothers. Sanay na sanay din yung mga yan. 3-point shots answered by Kunanan. Ito na. Nagpapalitan na ng mga 3-point shots both teams. 30 is the score now by Tony Mitchell. Bounce to Oprato. Bornales. Home fake. Back to Piso. Basket. Ngayon, nakikilala niyo na. Jeric Nakapil. Try from an answer. Yes! Basket from 2. Dito ng ating Jasper MJ. Now on Mr. Energizer Football Madness. This rebound by Oprato. Malina underneath. Take a seat. No good. Tapos bola. The first slam. Game block. Kunanan. Pasa dito kay Marlon Gomez. Gomez pass to Luka Pulong. Pass to Jeric Nakapil. Pinabayaan. Piso din yan.
Basic.
Pag may espasyo. MPBL. Now 3 minutes on the game clock. The Tasmanian Devil now with Tony Mitchell. Bang bang.
May
Dasapia keeping ball alive by Dasapia. Now the Tasmanian Devil.
Tasmanian Devil.
On the basket. Now by Gomez. Look at Pulong. Bang.
Sunod.
Now it's a 3 out of 3. By now, CJ Del Pino. Bang. 3.
Wow, ito galing kay CJ Del Pino.
Pinalampas ito. Now by Gomez. Pass to Jeric Nakapil. Challenging by Sam. Peralta now pick. Ooh, wow. What a nice shot. Here comes Tasmanian.
Second shot.
And now by Soliano is still by Del Pino. Del Pino pass to the Energizer. Yes, sir. Bullet pass. Fake. Luka Pulong pass to Gomez. Hindi na naman umabot. Energizer pass to Sam Peralta. 12 seconds remaining on the game clock. Pulong the stop and pump from 4 out of 4 on the 3-point shot. Ragi ng Rowells pare. And now the kid lining. Naaalala ko na the pretty boy. Nugget by CJ Butison.
Yan.
And the cover by Bondok.
Yan ang binasaga.
Pino pass to Dogan. Dogan pass to Sherwin Concepcion. Another try to hit from the 3, pero slice. Pass to Dogan from 3. Benga.
Hey.
3-point shots. Another go back from CJ Butison. The scope coming back from 2. One more time. 5 minutes and 30 on the game block. Number 77, CJ Butison. Pass to the Kid Lightning and the basic shot.
Yan ang sinasabi ko mga piso pinalaro na ganyan.
41-38 now sa 3-point lead. Sherwin Concepcion bounce inside. Nakapwesto sa ilalim. Tony Mitchell. That was an easy shot. Lead pass all the way. Taugan. Basket for two. Kyle Torres. Sinagutan dito ni Sam Peralta. Offensive rebound. That pleasing. Forcing the issue. Iyon ang tinatawag na agad. Taugan. Passive operasyon. Balik kay Taugan. Now by Neil Tolentino. Terga. 3.
The Energizer.
And they're ang depensa lang ngayon, magaling na rin umapensa. Nice bounce up and the give and go. Basket by Taugan. Carino, they can pass. It's a still 5 seconds. Ang aabutan pa yan. Easy basket by Bondo. 15 seconds on the shot clock. WB Tony Mitchell. Pass to Montes and get a foul.
See the basket?
And here comes Tony Mitchell. Pass to the Energizer. CJ Delpino. Open bang! 3-point shot.
Swing and double.
Philippines para sa inter-school. And our pride pare. Slam muna tayo. And choke
This
ko na.
is
Diba? Congrats. Smile by Tony Mitchell. Okay. 10 seconds. Now by CJ Delpino. What a pass. Extra drop. Energizer pass. Oh. Energizer. Pass to the Tasmanian Devil.
What a move, galing kay Sig.
Pass to Totoy Malinaw. Too many pa. 5:25. 68-54 is the score. Liwanag. Now to number 5. Basket. 23. Slow.
Nasa liwanag, Jay.
Delpino blind pass assist. Tony Mitchell.
Sumakay ka pa, sabi ni Nick.
It's a 2-on-1. Another open lace basket count. 4
Sorry.
minutes. Number 23. Liwanag. Ooh.
Nakalusot doon si Russell.
Talaga yung mga tira, talagang dilo. Peralta and Sherwin Concepcion. 3-point shots. No good. Rebound natin para dyan sa ating WBN Sophia. The team Roel Weber. The Energizer! Yes!
Grabe naman yun.
Tony Mitchell. Pass to Concepcion. 3-point shots. Peralta. 3. Sampu. Number 40. Ito na. Basket count. 121 points. Shoutout din para dito kay Mang Lara. Yan. Lucky Lucas. Nakita ko. Ang ating isang matibay na vlogger na po. Yung Devil. CJ Delpino. Assist to Taugan. And Sherwin Concepcion. Di pa ako tapos. Sabi dito na...
Pangilinan. Easy base up.
Pagalinan. CJ Delpino, screen by Concepcion. Pass to Carino. Taugan. Getting the peel behind the back. Down. Knock knock. Who's there? Derek McPeel. Curious. Step and pound. Basket. Hand. Ang gagaling na raw na dalawang kasama ko na to eh. Gumaling na rin eh. CJ Delpino, pass to Sherwin Concepcion. Wala tayong masabi. Legit golden hand from the...
Let's go, Tony.
Taugan. When Taugan.
Binigyan na.
no? Derek McPeel.
Piso, piso. Ang dana lang makita natin. Let's go.
Concepcion open. Kapong.
Napaklaseng kamay yan, Sherwin.
Delpino pass to Sherwin. One more three. Bang! Hey, 3-point shot by Concepcion. Concepcion. That pleasing.
Blessing.
Jerry McPhee.
Talagang nagpapakita ang gila si Dr. Pistol, piso, piso. Another jump at Vincent Greg Cunanan. Manong Greg. Bigay kay Russell. Russell taking Chewy, wala. Blessing. Soliano. Ako naman, sabi ni Idol, wala na rin si Tony Mitchell. Pumasok at
by CJ Delpino. Alley up! Alley up basket count.